Okay, so ito na. I-open na yung big box. Alel, are you excited?
For my
Yes!
What?
What?
Yeah.
Uy! Hello everyone! Welcome back to the vlog! Ang tagal na, diba? So, for today's video ay meron kaming family vlog and we have a surprise gift for my son's birthday. So, let's go! Okay, so ito na. I-open na yung big box. Alel, are you excited?
For my
Yes!
What do you think it is?
This is Daddy's Daddy's
Skip.
Daddy's toy.
Wait.
This is Daddy's toy. Not Kalel's.
It's Kalel.
What do you think it is?
It's not.
Huh? What is it?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't
Guess.
know.
Try to guess. What do you think it is?
I don't know. Oh, why there's a house right there?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
You will say thank you.
Thank you. So,
That is a gift from Mommy, Daddy, and Tito, CJ.
and then in Sunday I have birthday tomorrow.
Yes, for your birthday on Sunday.
Yes. If we finish with birthday,
Wow, what's that?
that's a wheel.
Huh?
Sit down, anak. Sit down.
Okay, so what do you think it is?
I don't know. What?
Hold on.
What? Oh,
Do you like it? Huh? What's that?
that's it. I don't know.
Huh? You
Still don't know?
Look.
Yes.
Look. What's inside? Oh,
That's it.
what's
Like
that?
what?
That looks like a bike.
Oh, it's more than just a bike.
It's a go-kart.
Look, oh.
Yes.
It's a go-kart. You like it?
Yes.
Kalel doesn't like it. We should return it.
I like it.
We should turn it back.
I like it. I said.
Hold on. Okay.
There's more.
Okay, so i-assemble muna ni Daddy yung go-kart. See you later. See you later. Do you like it?
Yes.
Huh?
Love it. Like it or love it?
I loved it.
Alright. Good.
Let's test drive.
Let's drive outside. Alright.